How to change the default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 series. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can change the default messaging app. Maybe you want to switch between Google Messages and Samsung Messages and you want to change that. It's rather quite simple to do so, but before we get started, do make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Changing the default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy S25 series is quite simple, not only to the S25 but also to the older versions. Now in the case of Samsung, for some weird reason, sometimes they give us the Google Messages app and they also give us the Samsung Messages app itself. Now the Samsung Messages app has become quite outdated and Samsung itself recommends us changing to Google Messages. But for that, we have to set Google Messages as a default messaging app, or in your case, it could just be that you might want to set the other messaging app as a default messaging app. Either way, it's quite simple. Open up Settings, then go to the option Apps and tap on it. Here select Choose Default Apps from the top. Here you can see the option SMS app. Tap on it. If you have multiple Messages app installed, you can choose one and the other to be able to switch between your Messages app for default. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.